The secret behind famous movies. Movies are one of the most powerful ways to tell stories and share emotions with people all around the world. Behind every famous movie, there is a group of talented people who work hard to make it real. Directors, writers, and actors all play important roles in creating a great film. Many people think movies are made quickly, but in reality, it takes months or even years to finish one. From writing the script to filming and editing, every detail must be perfect. That is why famous movies often become unforgettable experiences for audiences. One big secret behind successful movies is teamwork. The people who work on lighting, sound, costumes, and makeup are just as important as the actors on the screen. Without them, the movie would not look or sound amazing. Each person's job helps bring the story to life and make it feel real. Even small mistakes can change how the audience feels about the story. When everyone works together, they create something truly special that people remember for a long time. Another secret is the use of technology and special effects. Modern movies use computers to make impossible things look real. For example, giant monsters, space travel, or explosions are often created using digital effects. These tools help filmmakers show ideas that cannot exist in real life. Technology has changed how stories are told and made them more exciting to watch. Without these inventions, many of our favorite movies would not exist. Finally, the most important secret behind famous movies is emotion. Great movies make people laugh, cry, or think deeply about life. When a story connects with people's hearts, it becomes powerful and unforgettable. That is why filmmakers always try to create stories that inspire and move the audience. Movies are more than entertainment. They are reflections of our dreams, fears, and hopes. The real magic happens when the audience feels part of the story. If you enjoyed the video, please like, share, comment, and follow us for more.